Hi, welcome to the Cocktail Vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Pura Vida. So the Pura Vida was created in 2016 at a bar called Holy Birds in London. It's a smoky, subtly bittersweet coffee cocktail, and it's finished off with a little bit of orange bitters. And I think these flavors will really work well together. I'm sure I'm not the only one, but I've had a bottle of Tia Maria lying around for a while. I'm sure everyone's got a bottle that's sitting back in the depths of their cupboards. So soon I'll be doing a video, like a bit of a Tia Maria coffee cocktail compilation. So make sure you stay tuned for that one. And also I've got some more competitions coming up. And then I'll also be working on a DIY cocktail liqueurs. That video seemed to be really popular when I did the creme de cacao, which I'll link to right there. And I will soon be doing another shooters video, even though I'm a little bit hesitant. I was after the last one, which you can see there. Anyways, let's get on to the Pura Vida. Smoky, bitter coffee cocktail, and it's stirred over ice and served in a Nick and Nora glass. Otherwise, just another stemmed cocktail glass that you've got. So we're going to start with Vida Mezcal, which is going to be responsible for your smokiness, and add 40 ml, 1 1/3 ounce. Followed by 15 ml of Averna, which is an Italian liqueur, a bitter liqueur, 1/2 ounce. Every time I pour Mezcal, I just get this huge waft of smoke. It's quite potent. And then your Tia Maria, 10 ml, 1/3 of an ounce, followed by a dash of orange bitters. So I'm using my preferred Regan's number 6. And then fill the mixing glass with ice and stir for about 30 seconds. If only you could smell this, like bitter chocolate smokiness. This one's gonna be good. And then strain into your chilled cocktail glass. And last of all, garnish with a twist of orange. I've said it before, but these Y Pillars by OXO are incredible. I'll link to one of these in the description below. If you don't already have one, get one. So express the oils into the cocktail. And there you have the Pura Vida. Cheers. Oh, you get those rich aromatics, the citrusy aromatics, the smokiness. This is going to be tasty. Mezcal is always really smoky, and it's a dominant spirit to use in a cocktail. But this is actually quite balanced. It works really well with the Averna and the Tia Maria, the coffee liqueur. And the coffee flavor it's not overly strong, but it really does complement that smoke. And the orange bitters just finishes it off. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.